So now I'm on Pixel Studio, and now let's select the artistic text tool, left click, select artistic text tool, and now left click and now type your text. So I'm going to leave the text to this red color here. So now I'm going to scroll down, and now let's select the move tool, and now I'm going to move it down like this. And now I'm going to add an outline, a black outline. So left click on the FX here, select the text, select outline, left click to check it. So I'm just going to increase the color as black. I'm going to increase the radius. The fill style is solid color and the alignment is outside. So I'm going to leave it here. So now since I want an editable text, so instead of creating a normal duplicate, like right click and then duplicate, go to edit, duplicate, and then select linked. So it will create a linked duplicate. So now for example, if I hide one of the layers, it will hide the other one. So let's say I'm going to hide the top one. So as you can see, it hid the bottom one. So now I'm going to select the bottom layer, and now I'm going to uncheck some of the features linking these two layers here. So now select the bottom layer, go to Window, General, and then select Links. So now I'm going to uncheck the opacity and visibility if I uncheck it. If I hide one, so as you can see, it doesn't hide the other one. And then I'm going to uncheck the layer effects. So here it is. Now I can close this links window. So now I'm going to make sure to hide the first one, select the bottom one here, left click on the FX, left click on the color overlay, left click. So now if I left click on the color, so here's the HTML notation. So now let's close it. So now make sure on the move tool, press enter. So it will open the move and duplicate window. So now I'm going to change the horizontal to 20 pixel, and then I'm going to change the vertical to 20, press enter. And now check the duplicate. I'm going to add the 15 duplicates, number of copies. I'm going to change it to 15, press enter. And now I'm going to change the insertion mode here from in front here, items in front, to items behind. And now just click OK. And now I'm going to reveal the first one. So now I'm going to select the first yellow text here and then scroll down, hold shift key down and then left click on the last one here to select all the yellow layers. And now I'm going to place them in a group, click on this icon. So here it is, and I'm just going to reveal the red text here. And now since they are linked, I can change this one and it will change, for example, the other layers here. So now let's select the artistic text tool, left click, select artistic text, double click. And now, for example, I'm going to change, for example, the text. So here it is. I can also Control A to select all the text here. I can change, for example, the size. So for example, I change it to 450, or even, for example, the type, the font family. So, or even change it to bold or italic. So I think I'm going to leave it to this one here, to Arial, the italic. I'm just going to reduce the size to 400, press enter. And now I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to select all the layers here. And then I'm going to move it here like this.